You probably don't think of onions, garlic, or ginger as foods that spoil quickly. They feel sturdy, shelf-stable, almost indestructible. But if you've ever reached for an onion and found it soft in the middle, or opened garlic and discovered green sprouts, or cut into ginger only to see shriveled, moldy flesh, you already know these aromatics spoil faster than we expect. And most of the time, it's because of how we store them. Today, we're breaking down the science behind onions, garlic, and ginger, and exactly how to store them so they last for months, not days. Let's start with onions. Onions are living plant tissues. Even after harvest, they continue to respire, slowly converting sugars into energy. The biggest enemies of onions are moisture and poor airflow. When onions are stored in sealed plastic bags or damp environments, humidity builds up around the outer layers. That trapped moisture allows mold spores to grow, often starting at the neck or root end. And some critical mistakes. Stop storing your potatoes close to onions. Potatoes release a lot of moisture, which is the absolute enemy of a happy onion. This high humidity creates the perfect environment for the onions to absorb that water, turn soft and mushy, and eventually start to mold. Onions, on the other hand, release ethylene gas, a natural plant hormone that triggers ripening. Potatoes are super sensitive to this gas, and when they're exposed to it, they're tricked into thinking it's time to sprout. This is why you'll suddenly find your potatoes have grown those alarming-looking eyes, seemingly overnight. Thus, always store your onions away from your potatoes. Always store onions in a container that breathes. An open basket is perfect. Reusable mesh-produced bags work great too. Even a simple paper bag with a few extra holes punched in it will do the job. The best place to store onions is somewhere cool, dry, and dark, ideally between 45 to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature keeps them dormant. A dark pantry, cabinet, or basement works beautifully to keep them asleep and preserve their flavor. Another excellent storage option is to hang them. Place your onions one by one into a clean pair of pantyhose. Drop an onion into the toe. Tie a knot right above it. Then add the next onion and tie another knot. Keep going until the hose is full. Hang it in a cool, dark pantry or cellar. The knots keep the onions separated so they don't touch, which means if one goes bad, it won't spread quickly to the others. And the nylon material allows perfect ventilation. When you need one, simply snip an onion off from the bottom. Once an onion is cut, everything changes. Store your cut onions in an airtight container or wrap them tightly and place them in the fridge. They'll last for about 7 to 10 days this way. Before we move on to garlic, take a quick second to like this video and subscribe if you're finding it helpful so far. I share practical, science-backed food tips, and you don't want to miss them. Now let's talk about garlic. There are two main types of garlic, and they store a little differently. Soft neck garlic, the white variety, has a milder flavor and is an excellent keeper. With basic care, it can last 6 to 9 months, sometimes even up to a year. Hard neck garlic, often with a purple tint, has a more complex, robust flavor. But it doesn't store quite as long, typically about 4 to 6 months before it starts to dry out or sprout. Garlic behaves similarly to onions, but it's even more sensitive to humidity. Each bulb contains tightly packed cloves. If moisture gets inside, it becomes trapped, creating the perfect environment for mold growth. Garlic also sprouts easily when exposed to warmth, light, and high humidity. Sprouting doesn't necessarily make it unsafe, but it does signal declining quality and flavor. Store garlic in breathable containers like a mesh bag, a wicker basket, or even a paper bag with holes punched into it. Air circulation keeps humidity from building up around the cloves. The best way to store whole garlic is simple. Keep it in a cool, dry, dark place with plenty of airflow. And remember, the absolute worst place to store whole garlic is the refrigerator. The cold, moist air acts as a signal that it's time to grow, triggering sprouting and shortening its shelf life. Freezing is a fantastic way to preserve garlic for up to a year. It works for any type of garlic, soft neck or hard neck, and at almost any stage. Now, freezing will change the texture. The cloves will be softer once thawed, but the flavor? It stays beautifully intact. That makes frozen garlic perfect for cooked dishes like soups, sauces, stir-fries, and roasts. There are a few easy ways to do this. First, you can freeze whole, unpeeled cloves. Simply break the bulb apart and place the unpeeled cloves into a freezer-safe bag. Remove as much air as possible, seal it, and freeze. When you're ready to use them, you'll notice something helpful. The peels slip off effortlessly. Second, freeze whole peeled cloves. You can store the peeled garlic in freezer bags, and now you have a ready-to-go garlic anytime. Third, pulse some peeled garlic in a food processor. Spread the puree in a thin layer inside a freezer bag. Use the back of a knife to create some lines so it's easy to break apart when frozen. These are simple, practical, and incredibly effective for long-term storage. Ginger is a rhizome, and it has a very different structure from onions and garlic. It contains high moisture, a fibrous tissue, and a thin, protective skin. If left at room temperature for too long, ginger loses moisture and becomes wrinkled and woody. If stored in high humidity without airflow, it can develop mold on the surface. The refrigerator is one of the best places to store ginger. Loosely wrap your ginger roots in a paper towel, and then place them inside a partially opened bag. Store in the crisper drawer of the refrigerator. The paper towel absorbs excess moisture while preventing dehydration. Ginger freezes beautifully. To freeze, you can peel if desired. Then, slice or grate the ginger. To prevent them from freezing into one giant, inseparable ginger block, flash freeze them first by spreading them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and pop them in the freezer. Frozen ginger can last 6 to 12 months, and you can grate it directly from frozen. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to store onions, garlic, and ginger. If you've ever thrown away soft onions, moldy garlic, or shriveled ginger, it wasn't bad luck. It was storage science. Small changes make a huge difference. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more science-backed food storage tips. And let me know in the comments which food storage tips you want to see next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.